Fungi and the Fry Wars adventure. Hi guys. Fungi here. Let me tell you about a totally cool adventure I had. It was one afternoon. I was watching my favorite TV show Fry Wars. It's the best show in the universe. Princess Papaya and her friends travel through space, fighting the bad Dark Lord Truffle. That night I went to bed wishing I could travel through the sky and fly with the stars. I woke up suddenly. There was a noise. I looked out of my window. There is Duke Fry Walker. I jumped out of bed and ran to the window. Wow! Hi there, young Arthur. We have a mission and need the help of fungi. Can you help us? Oh, wow, oh boy. Could I? I ran to my bed and pulled out from under it my chopsticks of doom. Bam! Fungi was ready. I jumped on Duke's hoverboard. We went to Princess Papaya's castle. Also there was Hans Hash, and his buddy Jabata, and O2. We gathered around the council table. There was a map of the universe. Princess Papaya pointed to it. The universe is in crisis. Desserts are disappearing across the galaxy. Dark Lord Truffle is sending his corn troopers across the galaxy to seize desserts. He has taken all of them to his dark tort and is keeping them all to himself. What can we do? How do we restore the desserts? I say we go and storm the dark tort, said Hans Hash. Said Jabata. We need a careful plan, said Duke. Said O2. I have an idea, I said. We have a gift for Dark Lord Truffle. Princess Papaya was in disguise. A tough-looking corn trooper grunted. He looked at the enormous three-tiered dark chocolate coffee cake. The corn trooper talked into his radio. A muffled answer came. The corn trooper said, all clear. These two troopers will take you to Dark Lord Truffle. Princess Papaya followed the corn troopers, looking at the dark halls of the tort as she walked. They finally came to a great hall. Dark Lord Truffle sat on a throne surrounded by many kinds of desserts. Princess Papaya bowed to great Dark Lord Truffle. I bring you a gift from my people. At this moment Duke, O2, Hans, Jabata and then me fungi chopsticks, ready we jump out of the cake. Dark Lord Truffle, I said, we need to talk. Why are you taking the universe's desserts? Dark Lord Truffle gazed down at me. His gaze was dark like a thunder cloud. There are so many delicious treats and I want to eat them all and do not wish to share. Now be gone, you bothersome youngling, or be thrown in my darkest dungeon. Jabata growled. Hans and Duke placed their hands on their lightsabers. I stood up as tall as I could. Dark Lord Truffle, what you say is true. There are many tasty desserts all across the galaxy. But I can tell you one thing that tastes the best. A tasty treat shared with a friend that really is the best dessert in the whole galaxy. Dark Lord Truffle frowned, thinking over what I said. At least try it, then you can know for yourself. Dark Lord Truffle stepped down from his throne. He came close to the triple-tiered chocolate cake. He cut a slice and handed it to the gruff corn trooper. The trooper ate it. When he finished, the trooper and Dark Lord Truffle both had huge smiles on their faces. Dark Lord Truffle called all his corn troopers together. He sent them across the galaxy, returning the desserts to all he had taken them from. Before we returned, Dark Lord Truffle held the most wonderful ice cream party. We had a wonderful time. Now when Dark Lord Truffle comes to town, he will bring tasty treats to share, not taking them. That was one of my coolest adventures, and I will never have dessert without thinking of it and remembering to share a treat with a friend. Until next time, it's Fungi Full-Time Kid Part-Time Crime Fighter. The end.